Welcome, viewers! In the first episode of this video, we've showed you some essential techniques that you can use to revive your hair and make it look healthy again. If you missed the first episode, search this channel now to watch proven methods on how to make your hair look healthy again. Damaged hair is really common. That's why we have decided to bring more effective tricks to you. With these techniques, you can get your hair back to its former glory in no time. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Minimize the usage of hot tools. You should minimize the use of curling irons, flat irons, and blow dryers if you want to save your hair. If you must use hot tools, don't just turn them all the way up to the highest temperature. Instead, you should embrace letting your hair air dry. Number 2. Use a leave-in conditioner. Even if you condition your hair or use an air mask, leave-in treatments are essential for repairing dry, frizzy hair and minimizing future damage. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or somewhere in between, leave-in conditioners detangle, soften, and smooth your hair. Shampoos are designed to cleanse your hair, while conditioners keep it hydrated, supple, and shiny. Number 3. Stop paying attention to your scalp. Strong, healthy plants can't grow out of depleted soil. The same goes for your hair. If your scalp is in good shape, the hair that comes out of it will be the same. Scalp care is especially important if you've cut down on shampooing and upped your dry shampoo intake. Products plus dirt and debris from everyday life can build up on your scalp and cause inflammation and irritation. Loosen all that buildup and leave things squeaky clean. Number 4. Make vitamins your friend. You know that you need certain vitamins to nourish your body. This directly impacts the health of your hair and nails too. Vitamin A, vitamin C, biotin, sometimes called vitamin H, and mineral iron all contribute to hair that looks healthier. Additionally, you should infuse omega-3s and antioxidants into your diet. This can be obtained from foods like salmon, oysters, mackerel, and sardine. These foods are all rich in peptide and omega-3, which can make your hair shinier. Foods that are rich in antioxidants include walnuts, kidney beans, and tomatoes. Number 5. Embrace colder showers. The hot water that you use to rinse your body in the shower might also be scalding your hair. Cold showers have some health benefit, and making hair grow faster could be among them. After you shampoo and condition your hair in the shower, rinse your hair under a cooler temperature of water for a minute or two to revitalize strands and refresh your scalp. Number 6. Incorporate homemade masks into your routine. Inexpensive at-home masks can repair damaged hair and make your hair healthy. Use a ripe avocado and an egg to make an hair mask, then leave it on for 20 minutes. Avocado is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, everything you need for healthy hair. Alternatively, you can blend a ripe banana with curd or mix it with olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Wash with a gentle shampoo. Bananas contain carbohydrates, potassium, vitamins, and natural oils needed to add moisture to the hair. Number 7. Use harsh treatments in moderation. Many popular hair treatments strip the hair of its natural oils and damage the hair shaft. When you want to restore your hair, stop all treatment and let your hair return to its natural state. If you're used to relying on treatments to make your hair look the way you want it to, you may have to choose a few treatments that are the most important and discard the rest. Number 8. Get professional treatment. Sometimes, you might need to bring in professionals for extremely damaged hair. Professional inside and hair treatment contain the highest possible concentration of active ingredients. They target any type of hair damage, from strands that are overprocessed or weak to hair that needs a mega infusion of moisture. Number 9. Wrap your hair instead of air drying. If your hair is brittle and difficult to style after you wash it, it could be losing too much moisture during the drying process. Try wrapping your hair with a cloth or towel after you wash it, instead of letting it air dry. In conclusion, damaged hair can be revitalized with a few simple steps. By utilizing the right product, maintaining healthy habits such as regular trims and deep conditioning treatments, and abstaining from heat styling, your hair can become healthier, shinier, and more healthy. Additionally, by understanding your hair's specific needs and being mindful of the potential damage that can be caused by aggressive styling, you can ensure your hair stays healthy and looks its best. With these essential techniques in mind, you'll be well on your way to restoring your damaged locks back to their full glory. If you get valuable tips which can help you bring out the best in your hair from this video, subscribe to this channel right now. Also, ensure you click on the like button too. Which of the techniques from this video seems new to you? Let us know by sharing your views in the comment below now.